This review is of Bake Believe 55% dark chocolate chips. No sugar added, GMO free, stevia sweetened, vegan, 56% fair trade certified ingredients, and it is also Parav, so in that respect it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's made for Bake Believe by somebody else. Let's see. Oh, peanut free, tree nut free, dairy free, soy free, egg free, gluten free, shellfish free, and fish free. Nice. So that actually beats out Artisan. And here's a blurb about their logistics, I guess you could say. Nutrition facts: 60 calories per tablespoon, 4.5 grams of fat, of which 3 are saturated, no cholesterol or sodium, 9 grams of carbs, of which 5 are dietary fiber, no added sugars or sugars at all except for erythritol, 3 grams, 1 gram of protein. Of course, there's stevia. And here are the ingredients and stuff. Not bad. And unfortunately, it doesn't have a resealable package, so in that respect, it's not as good as Artisan. But let's see how it compares to those 44% Artisan chips I recently reviewed. Okay, definitely not as sweet. So I find that brands like this and Lily's that are stevia sweetened, they tend not to use enough stevia, and that results in chocolate chip cookies, for example, or brownies, where you're expecting these bursts of chocolate to be quite understated. And sometimes if you don't balance the sugar in the cookie or brownie, you'll discover that it makes the chocolate chip experience underwhelming. And this is definitely falling into that category. So they're nice, but just like with the Lily's brand, just not sweet enough, and that really nerfs, for me, that really decreases the value and the flavor. And so I'm going to give these a 6. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.